For 200 years, Goa remained under Portuguese colonial rule as imported fabrics dominated local dress. Yet, many Goans clung proudly to traditional Konkanastha style, preserving their vibrant heritage even under pressure to conform. Kumbi saris carried the spirit of indigenous people, weaving their own 6-yard cloth from sturdy covered cotton. The name Kunbi even derives from Kun and Bi, together meaning those who sow abundance from the smallest seed. Kerala is known for its artistic pursuits from language and music to dance and art. Kerala's traditional handloom weaving forms an integral part of local culture and identity. In Balaramapuram, artisans create wispy soft cottons on old-style throw shuttles. Puttambulli is renowned for its unique Dobby looms weaving intricate, detailed designs. Chendamangalam produces opulent gold-bordered saris on heavy looms requiring great skill. And in Kasargod, lightweight fine cottons emerge from small frame looms. Each region boasts distinctive styles representing Kerala's diverse heritage.
उतरिक देवकी सुतकी तोड़ा कृष्णा कई तोड़ा कृष्णा कई तोड़ा സഭനടുവിൽ മംഗമാരിണികൾ വന്നിടുകിൽ ശംഖവെടിഞ്ഞു സഭനടുവിൽ മംഗമാരിണികൾ വന്നിടുകിൽ കങ്കണജാലം മീനുങ്കവി ചെങ്കയിൽ കാളം പീഡിച്ചു നിലം കുശിലം ഗുരുപാദം പങ്കജമൂലം നിനച്ചുണം രാഗത്ത് മൃദംഗധ്വനി സംഗീത ലീലകൾ താളത്തിൽ കുമ്മിയടിച്ചിടണം നല്ല മേളത്തിൽ കുമ്മിയടിച്ചിടണം നല്ല മേളത്തിൽ കുമ്മിയടിച്ചിടണം.
Tamil Nadu. Welcome to magical Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state steeped in ancient culture. It remains an important Hindu site anchored by the renowned Tirupati temple, while also having a history as a Buddhist pilgrimage and learning center. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are home to a rich textile tradition. Kalamkari, the magical art of hand painting fabrics, is one of the most prized crafts. Using natural dyes and a tamarind pen called a kalam, artisans bring wondrous tales to life on silk and cotton textiles. Each Kalamkari sari is a unique work of art brimming with vivid scenes from mythology and nature. Saris take their names from places in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana where artisans have perfected cotton and silk garments for generations. Pochampalli Ikat saris, master weavers dexterously tie-dye hypnotic geometric patterns on these iconic silk and cotton saris. Venkatagiri saris, renowned for exquisite gold-threaded weaving, these lightweight beauties blend cotton and zari in perfect harmony. At present, silk mix and pure silk are also woven. Garhwal saris, cotton body and lustrous silk pallu with ornate zari work create drama in these regal hand-woven wonders. Dharmavaram silk saris conceal mastery in their simplicity with broad, contrasting borders and Lepakshi temple motifs. Upada saris. The luminous allure of Upada is produced through meticulous zari jamdani weaving on fine silk. Majestic forts and palaces from its glorious past. The kingdom has birthed legendary figures such as Mirabai, the 16th century mystic poet who devoted herself to Lord Krishna. Another hero is noble woman Pannadhai, who made the ultimate sacrifice to protect the heir of Mewar. The graceful Kota Doria saris have been favored by royalty since the 17th century when weavers introduced silk threads to create a lightweight sheer cotton blended with silk. Kota saris are made using a complex technique involving dyeing and weaving colored threads to form signature square patterns called cuts. The vibrant Bagru hand-block printed saris depicting floral, animal and geometric motifs in eco-friendly dyes. Equally famous are the vibrant Lehariya saris whose signature contrasting waves and irregular stripes reflect Rajasthan's colorful spirit. Bandej and Ajrak Bandhani are unique forms of tie and dye and block printing that utilize natural dyes. Gota Patti is traditional applique hand embroidery involving the use of thin golden metal ribbons that are stitched onto the fabric to create intricate, delicate designs.
डोरिया सारी बगरू साड़ी लहरिया साड़ी बांधनी साड़ी कोटा पट्टी सारी
tadikitakam tadikitaka tadikitakum tadikitaka 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 dinna 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 dinna